Hello, I'm Professor Susan DeGise. This tutorial is on Practice 8.1a. Directions. Identify the interval number as quickly as possible. I'm going to go ahead and do the sample. Now remember, when you're counting interval numbers, you always start with 1 on the bottom. So B would be 1, C would be 2, D would be 3, and E is 4. So this is a fourth. We say fourth, but we write the number 4. Now, even though we did this, you actually don't want to count it this way because it's going to take too long. So what we want to do is we want to use a shortcut. The shortcut is, if the two notes are both in spaces or both on lines, it will be an odd numbered interval. So for example, from here to here, B to D, these notes are both on lines, so that's a third. From B to F, these notes are both on lines, so that's a fifth. And from A to G, these notes are both in spaces, so that's a seventh. So whenever you have the notes both on lines or in spaces, it will be an odd numbered interval. So from there, you can just count one step up to get the even numbered interval. All right, go ahead and do numbers 1 through 5, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. All right, number 1. So the shortcut here would be that B to F is a fifth because they're both on lines. 1 greater than 5 is 6, so this is a sixth. Number 2, these are both on lines. This is a third. Number 3, now for this one it's B to B, so that's an octave. For the octave, we don't say eighth, we call it octave, but we write the number 8. Number 4, line to line, this is a fifth. And number 5, this is a unison because it's the same note. Now, like the octave, this has a special name. We call it a unison. We never call it a first. Go ahead and do the second row, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Number 6, G to B, line to line, this is a third. Number 7, E to B, line to line, this is a fifth. Now number 8 is a descending melodic interval, but you're still going to start on the bottom and count up. Here we have E to E. Since it's the same note, this is an octave. Number 9, D to E is a second. Number 10, A to D is 1 more than a third, so this is a fourth. And number 11, A to E would be a fifth, so A to F is a sixth. Go ahead and do the last row, pause the video, and press play when you're ready. Number 12, B to C is a second. Number 13, space to space, large interval, so this is a seventh. Number 14, this is a fourth. Number 15, we have F to F, so that's an octave. Number 16, E to B would be a fifth, so this is a sixth. And number 17, this is a third. All right, so it's really important that you're able to identify the interval number quickly. So if you'd like to review identifying the number as quickly as possible, please reread section 8.1. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 8.1a. Thank you for watching.